You guys, this sunrise this morning is absolutely beautiful, and super stoked I caught it. I just woke up early and came out here and it's just blazing. Look at the reflections on the bus window. So awesome. Hummingbird Bus. Yeah. Got some more of that sourdough bread on the toaster. So this is going to be the breakfast for today. We got a couple eggs, a little bit of leftover steak, and the sourdough toast with honey on it. And just getting ready for a great morning here. And I'm just going to jump right into this solar project right now. Hey, this is Andy from Because We Nomad, and I am removing these U-bolts, the square kind of U-bolts, off of the unistrut here, and they were going right through there, holding the solar panels on. Now I've got this whole slab of panels there off. They're all freed up. Yeah, I gotta be careful here because this panel is loose now. A few moments later, I had a really close one. Woo! All right, that was scary. The panel on the edge, of course, tipped. So luckily the bar was here. So I just caught the bar and the panel did not go off the roof. But that was a close one. It's been a while since I've been able to actually walk from the back of the bus to the front, which is kind of nice, but that's going to be blocked as soon as I get the other panels on there. It's going to be blocked again. I'm excited for this change on the roof here. I've got a couple different plans. I don't want to jinx it by saying what it's going to be. So you'll just have to wait and see here. These connectors here are called MC4s. And I'm disconnecting the panels from the MC4s so I can free up the panel and take it off the roof. All right, got one panel free. This week I've been dog sitting, and so I had to take a break and walk the dogs and do a few chores. All right, before we get all the way into town, we're gonna take a little trash run. And this is La Posa West, and I find it to be the easiest one to hit the trash can. It's just a quick swoop in here, and the dumpster's off to the right. All the other dumpsters seem to be pretty far back in the LTVA areas. So whatever, just giving you one of my secret tips of what I've found anyway. It's a quick, easy swoop into the trash. Alright, nobody in line. It's definitely getting quieter in Quartzsite. I can see there's a difference. A lot of people have left to go to Yuma. There's a van build party there. And so, well, not a party. Van Aid is what it's called. And people that need help getting things done to their rig can go there and put their name in, and they'll get maybe one or two of the things done to their rig that they needed. And I think it's a really cool thing. People go and volunteer. Unfortunately, I'm dog sitting right now this week, so I'm not able to go there. Otherwise, I would. I might actually do a one night down there, just run down there and stay in the rooftop tent on the Jeep. This is a rooftop tent right there, and it opens up like this and allows a full-size bed, which is kind of nice. Our water, and time to get over to the store and get some food. Okay, we're gonna go to this market first. And this is the Roadrunner market. There's Coyote and Roadrunner and Family Dollar, Dollar General. There's a few different stores here in town. Just some basic vanilla yogurt. Yep. Okay, 4 bags of groceries, $70. That's phase 1. Rolling into the Family Dollar. Yeah. Woo. Okay, we're running back to the dog food. Unfortunately, they did not have the dog food I needed. All right, we're gonna have to make a run to Parker to get dog food. So we're getting her treats and a treat for Dad. This is one of my favorites. Tonight, oh yeah, we're doing it. And this is Coyote Fresh, the other store here. There's the deli stuff. Deli, deli, deli. I ended up ordering a fried chicken dinner and got on my way. These guys have the best deli in town. And lots of sweets in this store here. Okay, we got everything we need here. And over at the Coyote Fresh, over there I just got a box dinner and some cookies for the week. And that's about it. We got our chores done for the day. And after that, I got back up on the roof and did a little bit more work on the solar. Alrighty, the solar panel job will be continued tomorrow. While I was eating my dinner, I looked outside and caught this. It's another launch of the Starlink satellites by Elon Musk and SpaceX. Okay, we've got the panels going up on the roof here on the back, and on the front those are the two 400s there, and then I'm putting two 400s back here, and so it'll make a total of 1600 on the roof. And then these side panels here, the tilty ones, that's 500, so 2100 watts is a good chunk. It definitely runs the mini split, and that's what I'm more worried than anything. It runs everything that I've got. If you had a washer and dryer and things like that, then you might need more power, but I don't have that. So I'm happy with this setup. I took the Unistrut here and moved it back so that there's room here between the fan so that it won't cast shadows, and all is looking good. All right, we got these panels on. All I gotta do is shoot the screws in back there and hook up the negative wire, and we're in business. Today I am going to do something that I think every nomad should do every now and then. Regardless of where you're traveling or what you're doing, there's always trash that you can pick up. I've got 3 big giant 55-gallon trash bags, and I'm just gonna walk out here. I've already cleaned all around my camp, but I'm gonna walk out here and clean along the road and just pick up trash. And I really think that everybody should do their part when it comes to cleaning up. And you don't have to organize a big group or do anything like that. You just gotta walk out there with a couple trash bags and pick up some trash. And if we all do that as nomads, then we will end up with a cleaner area. And I think it's important for the longevity of this nomad lifestyle is that everybody do their part. And I hope that you take this message and please do your part to clean up a little bit. This is the simple stuff right here. It's just a little plastic bag in a bush and a piece of cardboard, and all this stuff can just be picked up and thrown away. See, there's trash here. I'm gonna get that in a second. Get these plastic bottles here. Big whole trash bag of trash somebody left. Cardboard scraps. Tissues. Yeah, the red Solo cup, the culprit. Alright, in the bag. The bag's getting fuller. Alright, lots of trash everywhere. Just getting it all as I can go. And along the way, picking up trash, even though I'm right on the highway here, is cars zooming by, but you get the beauty of these wildflowers out here. These kind are different. And all right, walking down the center of the highway. And just wanted to say, please do your part, and if we all chip in, this place will be cleaner. We're getting all this trash out of here. Into the dumpster it goes. Yeah, this is the big bag. And that's it for this episode. If you like this one, please give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe over here, And I drop videos every Sunday, so please follow along and check us out next Sunday too. Have a good one.